everyone. I am here again and again and again. For the fourth time, I am here at the second floor EB. And I am effortless. Effortless, you know?
Effortless beautiful.
Oh, effortless beautiful. And I am here to interview our gorgeous, ever gorgeous professor, Miss. What is your name again? I forgot. I forgot to mention her name here. Okay, Kit, Lori Kit, Lori Kit de la Cruz. Okay. Okay, to begin with, what is your name?
Ulit.
Lori Kit, what is your name?
I'm Lori Kit de la Cruz.
Ba't ang tagal mo ba?
Nickname.
Hi guys, ano ko nickname guys? Kit Day.
Pato de la Cruz, nickname mo?
Hindi Day, ano na?
De la. Miss
Bakit?
Okay, but birthday.
Birthday? October ba? October 14 ba? 23. Ay, so...
Ay, matanda ko sa'yo. Birthless.
Manila.
Address.
Just so nice. Outside Street Towers sa Bota City.
Walang translate.
Ay.
Phone number.
921-7765.
Kala mo may tatawag sa'yo. Mobile number.
0907-484-374.
Yes, call.
For Eastern University.
Course.
Mass Communication.
Email address.
Lorkate de la Cruz.
Zodiac sign. Dog.
Rooster.
Zodiac sign.
Scorpio.
Your hobbies in life.
We have is in life or searching, eating, tulog.
How do you serve the net?
I put water in the computer.
In the net? Okay, like. Your like in life.
Like. I like.
Yeah.
I like cute. I like fashionista.
Doll ba?
Okay, Jaren. It's your Jaren.
I don't like
Okay, dislikes.
it's like it's like
Motto in life.
motto in life. Life is like advertising.
It's full of mystery.
No, every single detail has its own meaning.
Okay.
Ay, kabog.
Ambos. Ambisyon.
Ambisyon. Maging tunay na babae.
Okay.
Mahirap pa siya.
Let's go now to her favorites. Favorite music.
Classical.
Singer or band?
Pili ka na isa.
Pili ka ng isa. Singer or band?
Next.
Okay, pod. Okay, pod.
Porn. Chinese food.
Oh, social ka.
Hindi mo siya may lang yun.
Drink.
Tubig na lang.
Tubig, no?
Tubig.
Color.
Color. Violet and red.
Passion friend.
Classic. Mali. Dye. Yung
Imo?
Hindi. Oo, yung vintage.
Okay. Ang dami pa kinapin. Book, your favorite book?
The Purpose-Driven Life.
Author.
Dick Warren.
Subject?
Advertising.
That sir. Dapat that sir, hindi professor.
Dick Sir.
Dapat kilala namin yung that sir.
Sir Lolo Ignacio.
Pagaling na, pagaling. Mobe.
Mamma Mia and the Devil Wears
I
Prada.
have given you the materials from page 1 to
Sama
page
yan.
69. This is you. So please, this is yours through my group. So group 4 members, what are you group 4? Group 4,
Tatalin mo.
get ready next meeting, okay? Please, you may go.
Or,
You may now
actor
go.
or actress? Mamilig.
Isa lang.
Pero
favorite mo.
Oy, post mo na.
We will continue.
We will continue.
Since the day is off and we will go out now to finish our journey in life, we will go now. And we will continue to tomorrow if we go today. Okay? We will continue next meeting.
Bye-bye.
Okay? Bye-bye muna.
Next week.
Okay. Bye-bye.